Okay, today I'm going to be changing spark plugs on the Mooney, and I started it last night. I was just going to do 4, but the Mooney has 2 ignition systems, so 4 plus 4. So it's redundant for safety. One goes out in flight, you got a backup that's already running. So it only makes sense to do all 8. Okay, like I mentioned, I did 4 last night. These are the new ones, so you can see the difference between the old one and the new one. I went with Champion this time, but a lot of carbon buildup. These have not been replaced in a few years. They keep cleaning them after each annual every year, but I wanted to go new. I like new stuff. Okay, I have all 8 in now. So now you have to torque them down, and you need a torque wrench. And I have this one set to 35 foot-pounds. And I'll do one, and I'll show you how to torque it down. Boom, that's it. Then you put the lead back in. Then you torque that down. You don't have to torque it down, you just tighten it, and then you're done. So I'll do that to all 8, fire the plane up, see how it goes. Okay, all the leads are put back on, check and double check everything, and all 8 are tight and should be good to go. Check, check, double check.